Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we create a smart art graphics in Microsoft PowerPoint. So for that, you have to have a blank sheet or slide. Then you can click on Insert. Now just after clicking on Insert, you will have Smart Art option in this illustration group. So just click on that. Now just after clicking, you will see this box will appear where you have lots of different types of smart art graphics. For example, this is list. All the options present here are under list, the process, cycle, hierarchy. Sometimes we also say as a flow chart, the relationship chart or difference between chart, matrix, pyramid or funnel, pictures, or for more you can click on these options which will redirect to the Microsoft Office.com website. So for example, I'll click in hierarchy and I'll insert this circular picture hierarchy. Now to insert it, you can double click on this any uh, graphics, or you can click on OK after selecting. Now just after clicking OK, you will see your chart will appear on your slide in the middle of your screen. Now you can click on format to do things with the text and the shapes in this uh, chart, and then you can click on insert design to change the style of your chart. If you see here, you have a small arrow over here. You can click on this arrow and this box appear, which is same thing if you click on this boxes to edit the text. So let's suppose I want to write here something. So if you see here, when I'm writing something, then the same changes is happening in this box. So to write in this box, you can use this arrow also. And from here, you can add the pictures, or you can add the pictures from this box also. So if you click on that, then you can add the pictures through offline or using online medium. Now to add designs, you can select this box. You can adjust the size from this dots and you can move it by selecting the edges of this box. And if you see, when I'm selecting this, then this through box will appear. So I'll select on design and I can change the styles from here like this. I can change the colors. At the same time, I can change the layouts. Similarly, I can click on format where I can change the text style, shape effects, shape outlines, and the shape fill like this. For text, you have some more options here. You can edit the text fill or the text outline and the text effects. You can add multiple effects here also like this. So this way guys, you can insert graphics in Microsoft PowerPoint and you can do various stuffs like this. So that's all for today guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.